Get inside, guys, get inside. So I need everybody inside. Make 2 lines, guys. Chicos.
You couldn't hold it?
They're like you just shit all over yourself.
Hey guys, we're at the Monaco. Some beach anyway. It's pretty cute. We got Chris out there in the jungle. Anyways. Alright, rate.
It's already a 10 out of 10, bro. Like, yes. Like, I love it. Like, take me back already. It's time to go.
Woo! Who's that sexy? We have a strawberry daiquiri.
No, there's only one person behind me. I got 2 fish. Not 2 fish. I have lobster.
Chug. It's so handsome. Went in school. Relax.
Yo, that's cool. Don't want to ride it.
Relax. Okay, and then take a sip. 3, 2, 1.
We went to the club the first time there in Rosenberg, and she said,
3 shots, 1,800. I'm like, what? 3 shots? What? 1,800?
What?
The heck?
That's a spring
I
chicken.
said, oh, okay. 2 for me, 1 for her. No. She grabs a shot.
3 for me.
Pow! She grabs the other shot. Pow! I'm like, God damn. You gonna save me one? And then pow! And she goes, and give me a Bud Light. And get him one too. I'm like, what? What happened to my shot?
No, that's because my friends, that was a thing you did. When you went out, you took 3 shots.
3 shots. I was like, what am I getting into? I said, she'll feel it. No, we never left the dance floor.
Wow.
And I would figure, because the way we dance, she does more spinning than anything. I said, she gonna get tired. Nope.
Guys, I'm really, really tipsy. I had 5. Hold on, what room is it? 5 Grey Goose and cranberries. Oh. Mom, I'm tips. Look, little tips. Yes. Got the dress. Unfortunately,
And you know who's gonna get sick when we go to dinner.
I think we're all tips. Mom, I had 5 cranberries and
No.
man, you look cute. Give a fit check. Give a fit check.
So my dress is from Windsor, and then I think I'm just gonna wear my wedges.
Let's see the wedge.
It's over there.
Oh, those are cute. What size are they?
That's 6.
Oh, my size. Let's look at the restroom setup. Chris and Dad just got out the pool. Go to the room. In 1 hour. No. We gotta leave the hotel room at like 6:20. You got 4 minutes. You got 4 minutes. Whatever. Alright. If you're late, I'm leaving you. One thing about men, they don't understand. They just don't get it. They don't understand what it's like to be on time. They don't understand what it's like to get ready. They don't understand what it's like to leave on time. They just put on clothes and call it a day. What? Anyways, I'm having a grand time by myself. Little overly tips. We got the dress of the night. I'm so excited to show y'all. My towel falling off, booty cheeks out. Doing too much. Oh. Whew. I thought I was gonna wash my hair, but by the looks of it, we don't have time.
What time it is?
So everything, you didn't.
If y'all want bongos, entertainment tonight on us.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. A good 10.
Thank you.
10, I'm going 5. You'll do great.
Flip it. Record me.
How you flip it?
The corner.
And look for the third one. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Thank you. Other dress? Okay, not the forehead.
I don't know how you feeling, man, but I'm like on cloud 9 right now.
I'm feeling.
Damn, that cranberry vodka hit good. I'm not lying.
What, 10 of them?
That?
No,
It
9.
like sneaked up on me.
I know it did.
Because they
If she wouldn't have came, we'd have been over there just chit-chatting all night till 12.
I know.
If we were to go to a club right now, we'd be doing the Terrell thing.
Oh.
We'd be doing that,
Yep.
and I wouldn't even know we're doing that.
Let's go dancing.
No, he would go. He would
I
go.
wouldn't even know I'm dancing.
Yeah. He would just do this number.
Your hair looks so like Did you just fall?
Grabé en la penca de un maguey tu nombre, unido al mío, entrelazado, como una prueba ante la ley del monte, y allí estuvimos enamorados. Tú misma fuiste quien buscó la penca, la más bonita, la más extensa. Y hasta dijiste que también grabara dos corazones con una flecha. Ahora dices que ya no te acuerdas, que nada es cierto, que son palabras. Estoy tranquilo porque al fin de cuentas en nuestro idilio las pencas hablan. La misma noche que mi amor cambiaste, también cortaste aquella penca. Te imaginaste que si la veías, para ti sería como una afrenta. Se te olvidaba que el maguey sabía lo que juraste en nuestra noche, y que a su modo él también podría recriminarte con un reproche. No sé si crea las extrañas cosas que ven mis ojos, tal vez te asombre. Las pencas nuevas que al maguey le rotan vienen marcadas con nuestros nombres. ¡Claro que sí!
No lo aventaron, no lo esperaba.
Ah,
Lo
bueno.
aventaron.
Vicente aquí es un ídolo en República Dominicana.
Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias a ustedes.
Gracias mi gente, disfruten.
Muy bien.
Gracias,
Se
gracias.
aventaron, se aventaron.
Tengo una trompeta ahí con la guira, con la guitarra.
It's gonna be good. Oh, not bad. You have fun? Cheers to graduation, the new year, vacation.
Don't hold you, I don't hit.
So, what I'm getting done for Destiny graduating college,
Okay,
your mom's not going to be happy.
okay.
So she probably won't talk to me once. She won't talk to me probably for a whole day, 2 days, maybe up to 3.
Okay.
And then I'm going to get the, why did you do that?
Right there.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
I don't know what else that she would say, but I know she ain't going to be too happy about it when she sees
Is it like my face or something?
I can't say. Can't say.
What is it?
Just saying. Already.
No, you tell me. You forgot.
I think it was a little thing in his hand.
Something?
Yeah, something like that.
It might go right here, or you know what? I don't even know where it's gonna go.
Maybe a teardrop.
A teardrop on your
Yeah, a
face.
little tear because you graduated.
A tear because I
I
graduated.
have a tear with a little D right here. But she's gonna be mad. She's gonna be mad.
her.
I'm just saying. And then what'd you tell her yesterday? You gonna be jealous? You want me to get Debbie right here on the
On the throat.
You want a cranberry vodka? 3?
Yeah.
No, 3 cranberry
Goose.
Grey Goose.
Barco.
Grey Goose con cranberry. 3 y con limón verde. What the hell? Another shot. What is this?
Reposado.
No.
That's the Julio.
That's not it.
Yes, it is.
Blanco.
Oh,
Is
it's
it-
because it has a lime in there.
Yep. No, it's the darker one.
No, the lime's in there, so it turned the color.
Yeah.
But Reposado is more of a darker. It's the brown bottle.
God dang, I gotta get ready for this. A good time. Cheers. Cheers. Vacation. Let's go. Oh. Damn.
All
I
right.
don't know what to say.
¿Todo bien por acá?
I'll take one.
Otra.
Desde la...
Cranberry Blanco de Grey Goose.
Cranberry Grey Goose.
Just two.
Los dos.
Ay, Dios mío.
Huevo.
¿Dónde tú eres? ¿Dónde ustedes son?
De Texas. Soy de México.
See, look, I feel like I need
¿Mexicano?
to.
Sí.
No, but that's what they're doing.
Somos de México.
Póngala ahí.
¿Tu hermana y tu papá? ¿Tu hermana y tu papá?
No, mi
Ay,
Novia.
novia y mi suegro.
Perdón. Ay, ¿es tu novia?
Sí.
Linda ella.
I just got them shots. Let's see the reaction. Here's the water. Some shots.
What? You were gone for a while.
I know.
Came back.
Dang, you were gone for a while.
Mind your business.
Where you at?
Where'd you go?
I went to the restroom to take a deuce.
Okay, maybe I shouldn't have.